Meaning of Henry Ford.
Henry Ford.
Henry Ford.
Henry Ford.
Henry Ford. Henry Ford was an American industrialist who revolutionized the automobile industry. He founded the Ford Motor Company in 1903 and introduced the first moving assembly line for mass production of cars, dramatically increasing efficiency and lowering costs. His iconic Model T made cars accessible to the middle class and changed the way people lived and worked. Ford was also known for his controversial methods of management and his anti-Semitic views. Despite this, his impact on the field of transportation and manufacturing is undeniable, and his legacy continues to be felt today.